Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some fried pork chops. So after I clean my pork chops, you just see me seasoning them. I'm using adobo, garlic, black pepper, and some sazon. And then I'm just gonna make sure everything is mixed in really well. So now that everything is mixed in really well, I'm just going to get in a bowl and put in some flour in it so I could get ready to put the pork chops in. Now I'm just putting oil in the pan and I'm going to let it heat up. And now I'm just dipping the pork chop into the flour to get it all coated. And then I'll be frying the pork chops. So as you can see, when I put the first pork chop in, I kind of made a little mess. So I'm just wiping it up, and then I'm adding the second pork chop in. And now I'm just turning them over to the other side. If you made it to this part of the video, make sure you don't forget to subscribe. So once those is done, I just added 2 more pork chops in. So while I was making the pork chops, I had made some boya rice and some green beans to go with it. And now you'll just see me making my plate.